My name is Harry'n. I'm the winner of the Employability Award with North Wales Training. Well, the main reason I was doing the employability qualification is to just enhance my CV mostly and get more qualifications out of what I was doing really in my life. Well, through working with the Gynllun Key, doing my apprentice, obviously you're getting a lot more confidence through working with different people and whatnot, and obviously you're getting more ambitious to maybe get a future promotion or get better qualifications. One of the biggest advantages is obviously there's very few people at work that are doing this course or a course like it. There's only a handful of us that are getting the extra training that everyone else isn't getting. Obviously you're getting other qualifications, you're building your confidence up, you're standing out with your employer, because obviously if no one else is doing it and you are, you're getting more skills, you could get hired further down the line for a different job in the same place or a different place. As you say, may as well go and do it, because you're not taking up any more of your time, because you're doing what you'd be doing anyway, and you're getting extra things upon your CV as well as work and money. So there's not really any downside to doing an apprenticeship.